Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Apple ID is signed in and reachable. That's essential. Once done, verify your device runs a supported OS and has stable Wi-Fi or cellular service. FaceTime needs internet to activate. Next, make sure date and time are set to automatic. Mismatched time often blocks activation. Now, toggle airplane mode on for 5 seconds, then off to refresh the network stack. This combination gets you into the activation process quickly and avoids obvious delays. Once your basic prerequisites are met, sign out of FaceTime and Messages, then sign back into your Apple ID so the services re-establish credentials. If that fails, reset network settings to clear corrupted connections. This resets Wi-Fi and VPN configs, so have passwords handy. Also check for a carrier settings update. Carriers must allow FaceTime activation on some plans. Make sure your SIM is seated correctly. A bad SIM can prevent SMS verification messages needed for activation. After applying account and network fixes, restart your device and be patient. Activation can take up to 24 hours, so wait before retrying. If the error persists, gather your Apple ID, device serial number, and the exact activation error, then contact Apple support so they can inspect server-side issues. As a final troubleshooting tip, try signing into FaceTime on a different Apple device using the same Apple ID. If that works, the problem is local to your device. Restore or update as needed to resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.